Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're making cat cupcakes. I'm going to actually do two different cats, and you can see by just changing a few things up, you can make them look a little bit different. You can put the ears farther apart or closer together, whatever you think looks best. The eyes you can put closer together or further apart. So at the end, you'll be able to see that I did each one slightly different and decide which one you think looks the best. I also, on one of them, put a little white dot on the eyes, which looks like a reflection of light, but I only put it on one. I left it off on the other one, and you can decide for yourself whether you think it looks better with or without. As far as the tips I used a number 18 star tip for the face. And then for the cheeks, I used a number 12 round tip. For the ears, I used a 366 leaf tip. And for the little dot on the eye, I used a number 2 round tip. But if you don't have those exact tips and you have something close to it, it'll still work. I a lot of times use a different tip than what was recommended, and I still have good results. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope you have good luck when you make the cupcakes. Take care.